Some financial mistakes are obvious, like gambling or spending more than you earn. But the ones that really keep people poor are the subtle ones, the habits that feel normal but silently drain your wealth. Today, I'm covering 7 money mistakes that trap people in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and more importantly, how to fix each one. The number one mistake is having no idea where your money actually goes. Studies show that people underestimate their monthly spending by 20 to 40%. You think you spend $300 on dining out, but the real number is $500. The fix is simple. Track every dollar for 1 month. Use your banking app's spending summary or a free tool like Mint. You can't fix what you can't see. Financing a car you can't afford, carrying a balance on credit cards for clothes you already wore, taking out loans for furniture. You're paying interest on things that are losing value every day. The fix: if you can't pay cash for it and it loses value, you can't afford it. The one exception is a modest, reliable car if you absolutely need one for work. The average credit card interest rate in 2026 is 22.76%. If you carry a $5,000 balance and only make minimum payments, you'll pay over $7,000 in interest alone, and it will take you 17 years to pay it off. Credit card debt is a wealth destroyer. Paying it off should be a financial emergency. You get a raise and immediately upgrade your apartment, your car, your wardrobe. This is lifestyle inflation, and it's why people earning 6 figures can still feel broke. The fix: every time your income goes up, save at least 50% of the increase. Got a $500 a month raise? Invest $250, enjoy $250. Your future self will thank you. Without an emergency fund, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. A flat tire means credit card debt. A medical bill means borrowing from family. You're always one bad week away from financial disaster. The fix: build a starter fund of $1,000 as fast as possible. Then grow it to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account where it earns interest. Every year you delay, investing costs you more than you think. Thanks to compound interest, money invested at age 25 is worth roughly 7 times more at retirement than the same money invested at 45. The fix: open a brokerage account today and start with whatever you have. Even $10 a week in an index fund is better than $0 waiting for the perfect moment. If your employer offers a 401k match and you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you're literally leaving free money on the table. A 50% match on the first 6% of your salary could be worth thousands per year. The fix: contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. It's an instant 100% return on your money before the market even does anything. Waiting for the market to crash before investing, selling everything when headlines get scary, jumping into meme stocks. All of these are forms of market timing, and the data shows it fails almost every time. Missing just the 10 best trading days over 20 years cuts your returns nearly in half. The fix: invest consistently every month regardless of what the market is doing. Time in the market beats timing the market. If even 2 or 3 of these mistakes sounded familiar, don't beat yourself up. Awareness is the first step. Start fixing them one at a time, starting today. Subscribe for a new personal finance lesson every week, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it.